How to retrieve inserted it after inserting row in SQLite using Python. How to retrieve inserted it after inserting row in SQLite using Python. I have table like this. I insert a new row with example data username equals test and password equals test. How do I retrieve the generated it in a transaction safe way? This is for a website solution, where two people may be inserting data at the same time. I know I can get the last read row, but I don't think that is transaction safe. Can somebody give me some advice?
You could use cursor.lastRow. See optional DB API extensions. If two people are inserting at the same time, as long as they are using different cursors, cursor.lastRow will return the id for the last row that cursor inserted. Note that lastRow returns none when you insert more than one row at a time with executamini.
All credits to @MartainePeters in the comments. You can use the function last_insert_rowed. The last_insert_rowed function returns the row to the last row insert from the database connection which invoked the function. The last_insert_rowed SQL function is a wrapper around the SQLite 3_last_insert_rowed C++ interface function. SQLite 3.35 S returning clause. Returns requested columns of the inserted row and insert, update, and delete statements. Python usage.
If you want to see more, please consider subscribing.